Hi, this is Dario from Dario's Cooking, and today we will be making vegan panna cottas, I think. Alright, so we're making a 4-ingredient panna cotta, and I'll show you all the ingredients. 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 can, 13.5 ounces of canned coconut milk. I didn't have that, so I'm using almond milk. Would it taste way better with canned coconut milk? I've tried it before. And 2 teaspoons of gelatin and a tablespoon of water. The first thing we're gonna do is get the gelatin and pour it into the water. And don't mix it up or anything, just leave it like this. And then let's let it bloom for 5 minutes. While we are doing that, let's bring our coconut milk, or my almond milk, your coconut milk, our coconut milk, our maple syrup, and our vanilla extract. Okay, we need to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So our coconut milk or almond milk, our maple syrup, and some vanilla extract in a pot. All right, so let's put our stuff in a pot, and then, okay, right now, let's put it on medium heat. Alright, so you got it on medium heat, and we're gonna get a wooden spoon and stir it around. Now that it's simmering a little, let's pour in the gelatin. That has been blooming in the water for a while. Oh, shoot. Ah, okay. Let's do this with the spatula. Ooh! It's gonna boil over. Low heat. Woo! Oh, shoot, it's boiling. Too much. Uh-oh. Let's turn it to low heat. Alright, there we go. Alright, now let's mix it around until it fully dissolves. Oof. Hard to film while I stir. Perfect. Turn off the heat. And then let's let it cool for like 5 minutes because it's going to be hot. And then we'll pour it in like some bowls. I forget what they're called. You can pour them in bowls or really anything that's round. And then we're going to put them in the fridge and chill them for 4 hours. At least 4 hours. All right, now let's pour it in the panna cottas. Not pour it in the pan. Let's pour it in these cups thingies. Or you can pour it in the white things that have the circles, but I can't find those. So I'm using those, and they'll be just as beautiful. All right, so we're just gonna, it might be a little thicker if you used coconut milk, which would be good because the thicker the better, but it's okay if it's not super thick. So that's all we're gonna do. Now we're gonna chill them for 4 hours in the fridge. Alright, now let's hope they firm up. While we're doing that, we can make the berry sauce. Alright, so now it's time to make the berry sauce. So the ingredients you are gonna need is some frozen blueberries or some fresh blueberries. And you can use raspberries if you want because they make it good. But all you really need is blueberries, frozen or fresh blueberries, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Or you can use like any sweetener. You could also use frozen blackberries or fresh blackberries because they're cool. Use any berry, but strawberries aren't that good in it, but mostly any berry. So I'm going to make a blackberry sauce this time. We'll see how it turns out. Since I would probably use just blueberries, but if you want to try blackberries, then you can. Oh, wait, you actually need more than just blackberries and maple syrup. You need blackberries, maple syrup, and some arrowroot and some water. Arrowroot and some water, about a quarter cup of water. I just broke this. Only broke a little, but that's sad. Let's add a tiny bit of maple syrup. About a tablespoon. And then let's turn on the heat to medium. And we're just gonna stir it occasionally. And that's all we need to do. So it might take a few minutes. All right, it's starting to look perfect. So I'm gonna turn off the heat. And we're gonna let it cool for a little. Hot water in this bowl that these are on, so it can, mine doesn't look very fancy, does it? Kind of broke. That's okay. We're not gonna have anybody over, just doing this for the video. Ooh, we're gonna put some hot water in the bottom of this bowl, about an inch or two, and then we're gonna wait for like 2 minutes. So one of them's in there loosening up. I'm gonna go get something to put around it, and then I'm gonna put it on a plate and put some sauce. All right, so now that this has been soaking for like 30 seconds, we're gonna take it out and loosen it up with this spatula here. Ooh, not looking very nice. Okay, and then we're gonna try to dump it onto this plate here. Ah, it's beautiful. Look at how jiggly it is. Wow, that actually looks good. All right, so now I'm gonna put some sauce on it. All right, let's put the sauce on. Ooh, falling off. Perfect. It's fancy. All right. Come on.
Maybe put it the other.
There, perfect. This is my sister Vera. Say hi. You probably know her if you're not new to the channel, but if you're new to the channel, this is my sister Vera. We'll be trying this. Okay. Oof. This is actually kind of... Well, that's actually very good.
Yeah.
It actually tastes very good. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and definitely subscribe. And share with their friends. Bye.